Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Josh here, bringing you another video for you guys today. Now, I think today we are going to go ahead and I'm going to do some upgrades to this controller. Now, this controller has been busted for a little bit, but it does still work, but the buttons has a little bit of corrosion inside, and basically I'm going to change this. And also, I have a new button kit right here, and also a brand new shell for it. So hope you guys are going to like this video. And someone has mentioned this to me a long time ago and requested that I could do a PS4 one, and I'm going to show you guys of how I did this. So let's get started. So basically, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys of what the buttons look like and also what the new case looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this right here for you guys, and we are going to go ahead and get started and getting the guts out of this and put it in the new one. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and angle the camera, which I might end up going ahead and do this. So here we go. Now, this is the old one. This is the first one that actually came with my Ps4. But basically, you kind of see it's a little bit, and also there's something broken inside. So it does work, but when it vibrates, it kind of goes everywhere. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the button mechanisms. So I ordered this kit off of Amazon. It has a nice little lighting kit right here to make the buttons light up, which I'm very happy to do something like that. It does come with instructions, some connectors, a gamer manual, and naturally the buttons. Now, I have opened these up right here. I will go ahead and show you guys what they look like. See, oh my god, I like that. It's on camera. Now, the reason why it does also comes with some tools right here. So basically, that's all you get. You basically get all the buttons right there, and also the light kit right here. So now, here is the new case right here that I'm absolute like. I can't wait to show you guys this. Oh yeah. Now here's the other button that goes in the middle part right here. And also here is the case right here. It's like kind of like that nice purplish, bluish, greenish color right here. It has a really nice multicolor effect to it. And naturally, they both came with screws and tools. So let's go ahead and take all the guts from this out. I might also have to clean this, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a nice fast forward. That way the video won't be so freaking long. Okay, here's also the battery here. So I'm going to go ahead and set this battery carefully right over here on my side right here. Also, I'm kind of taking a look in here. There's no other places here that are broken. Now this here is pretty much, but yeah, here's the motor here that kind of broke off, and there's nothing connected to it. So that means I'm going to have to resolder this back on and be done. Because, yeah, that's where it used to go, but it's completely busted. And here's also a part of the other button right here. So, well, we are going to go ahead, and there's a little slot right here that I want to take out, and it looks like this also broke too. So I'm going to go ahead. Whoop, there we go. Oh, there we go. That actually works out a lot better. And all right, now that is disconnected. Take that out. And that's pretty much it right there. Now, they did give us a brand new one in here for this right here, so I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. And we are going to go ahead and get the new case right here and put everything in this. And also take a look. I'm pretty sure they did give us directions. I'm just going to go ahead and double check some stuff right here. Oh, it's inside out. Alright, that's upside down. Okay. So, there's this right here. I all gotta take out. This looks like it broke too. So, this I'm gonna have to take and resolder back on. So, and probably have to repair this as well. So, yeah, that's going to have to be fixed right here. So, I'm going to go ahead and do some stuff off camera and get this right here pretty much fixed. And pretty much get this taken out too. I don't know if it's holding anything or if there's anything holding it. So, how am I going to get that out? Is there screws? Oh yeah, there is a screw. Wow, really? That one screw was holding all that on. All right. Okay, so now after I got all of that taken out, so this should be ready, and I can make my repairs. But I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and grab the new one. I'm kind of taking my time a little bit, guys, so just bear with me a little bit. Well, hello, bud. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the bottom part right here and get that little part right there taken care of. And also here's some more buttons right here. Some new screws. And this is the part that I want. That's this garbage. Alright. Go ahead and install this in here. Where's the screw? Alright. Let's see here. Whoop, I don't want to lose none of these screws right now. These are the old screws. I want to get the new screws together. This is the screw that I need. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse on here, guys, and get all this pretty much put together. Hey guys, it's basically the next morning. I had to do a lot of editing for this right here, but I kind of had to cut some stuff out. But they do give you some very great details on everything, but basically I managed to got the controller all together, and the lights do work. I got them working last night. I don't know if it will work now, but here it's the controller looking all nice and pretty. If I turn it on, there it goes. It lights up. And I got it going to the multicolor because I really like the multicolor. But basically, that's it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And let me know what else you guys want to see me customize. So, thank you very much for watching this video. And see you guys next time.